Hello students, let us see one more question. Question: which mode of expressing concentration is independent of temperature? Okay, that is they do not depend on the temperature, independent of temperature. So dear student, volume is proportional to temperature. Volume is proportional to temperature. It means the term this, okay student, the term which have volume, okay, which have volume which have volume will be you know temperature dependent. But student, what the in this question you see, they are saying independent, temperature independent. So firstly you should know what is molality. So molality means what, student? Molality means moles of solute, okay, moles of solute, okay, and divided by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent, okay. So mass of solvent in kg is there, student. So that is not volume, this is mass. So it is the temperature independent. Percentage mass, if you talk about the percentage mass, student, percentage mass means no, mass of solute, okay, mass of solute divided by total mass, okay, total mass multiply by 100. So you see student, again mass is there, so it is also temperature independent. Mole fraction x, if you write, that is na plus nb. So this is also no volume is there. So in all the three terms there is no volume. In all the three terms there is no volume. There is no volume used. So all are temperature independent. All are temperature independent, right? So you can check it out here, student. So correct option, which will be the correct answer, student, according to the concept you see? The correct answer will be all of these, because none of the above is having the term volume. So that is our answer is all are independent, whether molality, mass by mass, percentage by mass, or mole fraction. Okay, you can read out the slides here also. You see, the term which include the volume will be temperature dependent, otherwise all are temperature independent. Molality, mass of solute by molar mass of solute, okay, 100 into, no, here everywhere mass is there, student. So it is temperature independent. Mole fraction, the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of all the component present in the solution is called the mole fraction. That component, that is also independent. Okay, percentage by mass, the number of gram of glucose solute dissolved in 1 gram of solution is called the mass fraction of the solute. So all are temperature independent, student, because no term volume is not used. Thank you so much for watching, friend.